Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to fly and test a plane in War Thunder. So guys, once you launch the War Thunder, the first thing that you need to do is go over here on the research. And then over here on the research guys, make sure to toggle aviation. And on the aviation tab, as you can see, we will have multiple planes that we can choose from. And guys, down below you will have different countries to choose from as well. So each countries have their own planes. And as you can see guys, in order for you to try this plane, just simply right click on it, and from here just click test flight. And from here guys, you will be able to change the difficulties to arcade, realistic, simulator, and you will also have an option to limit the fuel, the ammo, and multiple options to customize your game. And once you are done guys, just click OK, and then from there guys, you will be able to test out this plane in order for you to try this plane before buying it. So guys, this is the only way to test out any planes on War Thunder. And if you like to use this plane on a match, you can just go ahead and buy them. So right now I'm gonna go to the hangar again. So guys, in order for you to buy them, you need to use a research points. So just right click on it and click a research. And as you can see, it is now being researched and it needs time to complete. And from there, I will be able to use it on a match. So guys, as you can see, some of them are red because as of now, I still have a rank 1 planes. But once you have unlocked the rank 2 planes, you will be able to test the other plane as well. But as of now, you will be able to test planes that are available on your account. And there you go guys, that's how to fly any plane on War Thunder. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!